Hello Stardust! Welcome back to my channel where I review makeup, fragrance and luxury products. Today we're going to be talking about these voluptuous, beautiful, juicy, sexy curls. How I achieved them without using any other products other than Dyson. So this is my Dyson Air Wrap that I'm going to be using today in the video. It's the first generation Air Wrap that is long barrel. And I have owned this for 3 years now, so I can give you proper tips and tricks on how to use them. But on today's video, we're going to be mainly concentrating on achieving such beautiful, bouncy curls. Having said that, let's begin this video. This is my hair right after I washed it. What I usually do is I go to shower, wash my hair, come out, leave it in a bun, and then do my makeup because I want my hair to actually stay wet. I know that other people do it differently, but this is how I do it. After I'm done with my makeup and I have partitioned my hair, you can partition it however you'd like, but I usually do it in the middle. I use this brush Tangle Tweezer. I think I bought it for about like $13–14 in Poland, but you can get it online. It's very good at detangling your hair. What I do is I grab the full bunch and I start it from the bottom. I just brush it through the bottom. And then top and the bottom again. As you can see, it's doing a great job detangling. I think these brushes work best when your hair is wet or damp. I have brushed my hair through. Now that I detangled my hair is dripping water. What I do is I just take a towel and squeeze my hair through. So I don't have water dripping down my hair, but my hair is still pretty much wet. I'm done with prepping my hair. So as the caption states, this is no product, meaning that I'm not going to use any external product other than the device itself, which is Dyson. But usually what I will do is use my heat protectant, which is this one. It's pretty cheap. It protects up to 230 degrees. It's called Aqua Revive from Bliss. So this is the one I use, but just for the sake of today's video, I'm not going to be using any heat protectant. But please, I really advise you to use a heat protectant as it's going to protect your hair from the heat and it's not going to damage your hair. Now onto the hairstyle. What we're going to be doing today is sectioning our hair into 3. So bottom section, middle section, and the top section. I have divided my bottom section. Depending how thin or thick your hair is, you either section each side 3 sections, 1, 2, 3 sections, or if you have thinner hair, you just divide it into 2 sections. As already mentioned earlier, I do things a bit differently. Because I actually have curly hair, I would even say wavy, they're not as curly. I like to curl my hair as about 60% wet. Because it has not shaped its curls yet, having said that, my hair is going to be heavier for Dyson to pick it up. So what I usually do is hold it at the tip for a longer period of time. Today, I'm going to be using this smaller round barrel. I do that because I don't use any other products to hold the curls. So over time, the curls are going to fall off. But if I'm going to do it on tighter curls, even when they do fall off, it's going to look very nice. The barrel should wrap the hair outwards, like that. If it's wrapping the hair inwards, you got the wrong barrel. They usually have the signs here to indicate. How I test mine is, I just take a small section of hair, turn it up. This is a wrong barrel for me. It's supposed to wrap out. It's wrapping in. So I just simply change the barrel. I own first generation of Dyson, so meaning I cannot twist here to change the size, but I don't really mind it. Right, if it's wrapping outwards, then we have the correct barrel. First of all, let me show you the setting of my Dyson. The power is on its max, the heat is on its max. What I do is turn on the Dyson, this is just for demonstration, turn on the Dyson, and then I wait at the tip until Dyson is able to wrap my hair. Once the Dyson picks up the hair, I help by rolling it inwards for Dyson to be able to wrap my hair in. I hold it in that position for about 30 to 40 seconds. If the barrel gets too hot, I just push the button up for it to cool down, or just feel like it's too hot for my face or my neck. That's what I do. Once I'm done, I fully switch off the Dyson and let it go off my hair. Alright, I'm done with curling my first bottom section. What I'm gonna do is create a middle section. I'm dividing the middle section. If you'd like, you can gather the bottom section in a hair tie. For the middle section, make sure that the hair is wrapping inwards. It is to create bouncy effect, to create that volume in between hair. Alrighty guys, I'm done curling the middle section, and now we're just left with the top section. Usually what I do for the top section is I'll divide off the area that already finished. For the top part, it should be rolling outwards again. Just to clarify, the bottom section should be going outwards, the middle section should be going inwards, the top section should be going outwards. So for my French, what I'm gonna do is hold it up, outwards. Not this way, up. Done with the Dyson curling. I know right now I look a little bit crazy. I look like those olden day judges, but don't worry, trust the process. After we're done, what we have to do, this is a bit crazy, but this is a must to open up the curls. Right now I use the smallest barrel, so they're very, very tight and they're very together. To open them up and to add air and bounciness to them, what we'll have to do is we have to whip our hair back and front, so it has some volume, air. Righties, as you can see, my curls has really opened up. My French looks a little bit crazy, but it's gonna go down in just about 10 minutes. It's not gonna be this bouncy. Alrighty guys, so this is the final result. I have not used any product on my hair. It was just shampooed and conditioned, and this is the type of voluminous, juicy, beautiful curls to get. I will also insert a clip how the curls are gonna wear. I will show around 6-hour wear, and you will see that the curls are gonna fall off, but they're gonna fall off in such a beautiful way. I'm gonna have the Sleeping Beauty type of curls, the one that's at the bottom. So I'm just gonna insert that at the end. This is how the curls look after 8 hours. As can be seen, the volume is not really there anymore, but the curls still remain at the bottom. If you were to use some hairspray, obviously the curls would have lasted longer, But because I don't use any external product other than the heat protector, which I did not use today, I still really like how the curls look by the end of the day, as it just gives that natural beachy wavy curls. This is the end of the video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me. I have a goal to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and it would just simply mean the world to me if you could please subscribe to me. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Sunday, and I hope to see you on my next video.